So, what is Keycloak anyway? Keycloak is an open source identity and access management platform. It is fully open source. It's written in Java. You can go find the code on GitHub, I believe is where, yeah, GitHub is where they have the code. It's community driven, community supported, community maintained, and it's been vetted by the cybersecurity community. It is it's not the only open source solution like it, but it is probably the most widely used one. It's been around quite a while. It's used for lots of different organizations um, for both situations when companies just or organizations just want to use an open source option, or they need to be able to vet the source code, right? They're not necessarily going to be comfortable just buying a solution from a vendor without being able to do their own cybersecurity due diligence. Um, so it's open source. It's an identity and access management solution. If you're familiar with Okta or even like ADFS, Enter ID, the kind of the app federation side of things, it's similar to that. But again, it's open source, it's cloud agnostic. It can certainly work with all of those platforms, but it doesn't have to. Um, you can handle user management separately from any one of those platforms. Um, and it can work just as well with a single application, a multi-tenant application, or multiple applications. You know, if you wanted to use it truly the same way that you use Okta, where you have kind of one single sign-on source of truth for all of your users and multiple different applications, you can use Keycloak that way, um, just as easily as any of the other situations. So again, it's an open source identity and access management solution. It is uh, fairly simple to stand up. It's not terribly complex. It's basically a web app and a database, and it can certainly scale to as large or as small an instance as you need it to. So with that, let's get into some of the reasons why you might use Keycloak.